Diolch Llywydd. Beth ydy ymateb y Llywodraeth I effeithiau storm Emma ar Gaergybi?
Diolch. Natural Resources Wales are working with the Holyhead Marina, the Port Authority and the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency on the clean-up and to minimise further fuel loss or escape of debris into the environment. This includes taking action to deal with the polystyrene which has spilled into the water. I will be visiting Holyhead Port and Marina tomorrow to meet with all agencies involved.
Diolch am yr ymateb yna. Mi o'n I ym Marina Caergybi ddydd Gwener yn syth ar ôl y storm a mi oedd yr olygfa llawer o'noch chi wedi gweld I ar y teledu ati yn wirioneddol dor calonus a dinistyr llwyr yno. Wrth gwrs yna lawer y gychod pleser personol yno. Rheini'n bwysig yn economaidd i'r ardal, ond mi o'na 15 o gychod masnachol yn y Marina hefyd, a llawer o'r rheini wedi cael ei dinistrio neu difrodi yn rhannol. Dwi'n mae'r holl fusnesau sy'n defnyddio y Marina yn rhan bwysig o economi forwrol môr. Ac ostyried yr pwyslais rwan o'r diwedd, diolch beth, ar ddatblygu strategaeth forwrol I Gymru, mi hoffwn I wybod pa fath o becyn cymorth all y Llywodraeth I roi at ei gilydd I gefnogi y busnesau yma rwan yn ei hawr o angen yn y byr dymor. Yn ail, yn edrych ati hwnt i'r tymor byr, gai ymrwymiad y gwneud y Llywodraeth helpu I ariannu gwaith ymchwil i'r angen posib am ddiffynfa i'r rhan yma'r harbwr yng Nghaergybi yn y dyfodol. Fel Cwestiwn I hynny o bosib ydy hi'n cytuno, ydych chi'n cytuno bod yna rôl bwysig iawn I adran astudiaethau eigion Prifysgol Bangor yn y gwaith yma yn cynnwys defnydd o'i llong ymchwil Prins Madog. Yn ola wedyn ac yn allweddol, da chi wedi cyfeirio ato fo yn y byr dymor, da ni yn wynebu problem amgylcheddol ddifrifol yn sgil y storm. Dwi'n deall nad oedd yna ormod o danwydd yn y llonga bod y rhan fwyaf hwnnw wedi cael ei gasglu, ond yn sicr da ni'n wynebu bygythiad mawr o ran llygredd yn dod o weddillion polystyrene y pontoons yn y Marina. Mae yna fygythiad gwirioneddol yn dod gan polystyrenes, ond I ar wefan yr Institute for European Environment Policy yn gynharach yn sôn am y peryg o fywyd môr yn bwyta olion polystyrene sy'n cael ei dorri'n ddarna man ac yn aros yn hir iawn, y peryg pan mae hynny'n mynd I mewn i'r gadwyn fwyd ag ati. Mae cwestiynau wedi cael ei gofyn I fi oedd ymateb asiantaethau Llywodraeth Cymru'n digon cyflym ar ôl y storm i'r peryg y llygredd yma. Mae pobl leol wedi cael ei siarsio I gadw oddi ar y creigiau, I beidio cymryd rhan yn y gwaith llnau, ond mae llawer wedi deitha fi bod nhw'n teimlo bod rhaid iddyn nhw oherwydd bod nhw'n gweld diffyg swyddogion swyddogol os liciwch chi yno'n gwneud y gwaith llnau. Ond beth bynnag, digwyddodd ar y pryd, rwan 5 diwrnod ymlaen, mi hoffwn I ddiweddariad ynglyn â'r hyn sy'n cael ei wneud I ddelio'r llygredd yna a sicrwydd bydd beth bynnag sydd I angen yn cael ei wneud I sicrhau nad ydyn ni wynebu mwy o ddinistr amgylcheddol nad ydyn ni wedi weld yn barod.
Thank you, Rhun Iorwerth, for that question. And I would like to say from the outset, I'm very grateful to all those who have been involved in the clean-up operation. I think because of their hard work, we have helped to minimise the environmental impact of this very unfortunate event. And I absolutely appreciate the effect that the storm damage has had on many people's livelihoods, and that's obviously a very distressing situation for them all. You ask a series of questions in relation to the boats. There are about 85 boats that have been damaged, of which 5 are commercial fishing boats. I'm very happy to give consideration to possible financial support for public infrastructure repair. Also, if there's any further environmental damage that needs cleaning up, I'm very happy to look at that, and that's obviously something I'll be discussing on my visit tomorrow. You say that it's been a grave environmental impact. You know, I want to see for myself what it is, but certainly questions haven't been raised with me about our response not being quick enough. And you know, that I've been having several briefings every day right since this happened on Friday. And certainly my understanding is from NRW that it's progressed in a very smooth way. There is a North Wales Standing Environment Group, which my officials are members. That hasn't been brought together because there wasn't the need to do that. Now, if you are saying that there is a grave environmental situation, when I get there tomorrow, I will want to know why that hasn't been brought together, if that's the case. But certainly, my understanding is it hasn't been convened because they are happy with the way that the clean-up has gone to plan at the current time. So I'll be very happy to update you following my visit there tomorrow, and obviously other members too. I think whether we need to have a sea defence there is something that clearly needs to be looked at. This was an absolutely catastrophic event that happened on Friday, and whilst I appreciate we haven't seen weather like that for a long time in Wales, I think there are questions to be asked why it was so catastrophic. You said about the pictures, and certainly, at home last weekend, to see those photographs were just heartbreaking. But as I said, Llywyd, I will be very happy to update the member following my visit tomorrow.